Hey, say something to the camera first.
Use your thumb. There you go. Good to go. All right, now you get to. So that was the full size one.
Do you rest your cheek on this?
Now this.
You
is
can.
The compact Kimber.
How much is this?
Guy. So exact same bullet size, just a smaller version.
Lean forward.
Smaller barrel, so it's easier to conceal. You carry one. Is that magazine all the way in? There you go. Now it's in. Load one in the So as soon as all right, so do you have a pocket? Shoot. Eject out the mag.
Yeah.
This is your magazine release button. You just push that with your thumb.
Damn, that shit is bad.
Yep.
Doesn't matter. What's this?
That's a safety. So if this button
Shit's
right
bad.
here is not
Hella
pressed
bad.
in,